Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to fix Steam login error, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix Steam login error on your PC, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, as well as you can open your Steam app browser on your computer as well. You can see guys, if you are having problem logging into your Steam account on the Steam app over here, first you need to do is open up your preferred browser on your computer, as I have opened the Google Chrome over here, and search for Steam by clicking at the top of the screen on the search bar. First guys, you can see there is the store.steampower.com over here. Click on that where it says store.steampower.com. Now in order to fix the error which you have logged into your Steam account on the Steam app itself, you'll be required to first log into your Steam account on the browser. So to do that, after landing on this page, you can see at the top right corner of the screen there's a login button available for us. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen, and when this panel appears guys, enter your username and your password over here. So my computer has auto-filled it for me, so in your case also enter your username and your password, and after that click on sign in and do the necessary things over here if you have enabled your Steam guard guys. So let's go to check our Gmail and let's copy paste the code over here. And with that being done guys, after logging to your Steam account on your computer, you can see guys, now you can view your account over here. When this loads guys, try logging into your account on your Steam app as well. By that way guys, your account on the Google Chrome as well as your Steam will sync. So let's enter our account name and let's enter the password. And after entering your username and your password on the app, click on the sign in, and after entering your account name and the password on the Steam app, click on the sign in button over here, and then your login error process which was happening on your Steam will be solved if you just go through this process. And you can see guys, I have copied and pasted the code over here. By that way guys, your Steam login errors should be fixed, or if not, then if it has not been fixed, then you can try contacting the Steam support from over here from the browser where you'll be able to log in. And that being said guys, you can see there is the support. You can go to the process to chat with Steam community over here. And that being said guys, this is how you will be able to fix your Steam login error. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.